I use my phone SD card.
About that, but we got you some stuff. Hope you like them. We're gonna go just went on a little hunt for all this stuff. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll go from there.
So yeah, we have this whole video planned. Just be careful when you.
From a little trip that me and Maddie and Cam took.
So.
We taped basically the whole trip, and
Cody.
You don't know how to pick it up.
Well, you can pick him up.
Okay, let me see, Vic.
Is he okay?
Lucy! Lucy's here too?
Sure.
Hi!
Hi.